Here's Photoleap app, so let's just discover it. And they just released these cool AI tools. And the cool thing, like you can select from different categories like AI scenes, AI selfies, AI rooms, AI tattoos. So just different types of objects, different aims, what you want to accomplish with AI. And then you can just type in there, like for example, we have AI scenes, and then you can try to enter some custom prompts. So that's actually quite cool. I haven't seen it yet in some other apps, where basically the idea is, for example, let me show you. You want to add some filter to some photo. So for example, here. All right. So seems on the free version, you can only do. Okay, sorry, I can't show that. But basically, if you enter the photo, you will see the button custom prompt. And then, for example, you select some filter, like you want to add some medieval filter to this landscape. It applies the filter. You're not completely happy, and then you can just add some additional prompt, like make the sky like this color, leave everything like this, but add this feature, or cut out this object, or make the add the smile. And then you just writing it out, you're just telling it what to do, and then this app basically does it. So this is like, yeah, probably you've seen this Photoshop AI demo. So this is basically the idea how it can start with this app. So yeah, I hope that's try it out. Sorry, I can show you right now because in the free versions there are these limitations. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments.